Happy Wednesday. I hope you're all doing well. It's August 18th, 2021, and this is After the Bell. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. I'm Richard Allen. Welcome to the TipRanks YouTube channel. I post here at least twice a day, so if you aren't subscribed already, please go ahead and do that. And if you find any value in this video at all, hit that like button down there for me. I would love to have you do that. But we're going to go over, we got a lot of news. We have news from Overstock. We're going to cover earnings from Robinhood, their first reported earnings since going public. We got earnings from Cisco and Nvidia as well, big companies. And then we're going to cover some news from Overstock and some repurchasing that they're doing. But the major indices were down again today after a rough couple days. So let's jump over to TipRanks.com. We'll talk about the S&P 500 first, down 1.07% on the day. The Dow Jones down 1.08% on the day, and the NASDAQ down under 15,000 points again, down right around 1% as well. You know, I want to talk about real quick why the major indices did fall today. The Dow and the S&P, the NASDAQ kind of all fell for the same reason. The Fed came out and said they're going to start tapering their asset purchases. They released minutes on their last meeting, and that did spook the market a little bit. That means there will be less liquidity in the system, so the markets did react to that negative news from the Fed. Bitcoin also fell after getting back above 46,000, fell back down below 45,000, down 0.41%. over the last 24 hours. But we have some big movers from the stocks on the move section. We have Aon, ticker symbol AON, down 6.18% after the bell. Advanced Drainage System, WMS, down 6.3% after the bell. Victoria's Secret, this is a company that just broke off from another big company. Its ticker symbol there is VSCO, down almost 8% after the bell. We have Steris, ticker symbol STE, down 12.5% after the bell. And then rounding out the top five biggest losers there is Skyline Champion, ticker symbol SKY, down 12.75% after the bell. But we have some big gainers after the bell as well. We have Option Care Health up 0.75%. Ticker symbol there is OPCH. Traeger, ticker symbol Cook, up 4.5% after the bell. Bath and Body Works, ticker symbol BBWI, up 4.5% after the bell. Followed by Apollo Medical Holdings, ticker symbol AMEH, up almost 6% after the bell. And then a stock up almost 20% after the bell. D Local, ticker symbol DLO, up almost 20% after the bell. Let's jump over. Let's talk about Overstock. The online furniture and home furnishings retailer announced that its board of directors have approved a common stock repurchase program of up to $100 million. So they're buying back their stock at a good time, and based on what analysts have to say, it could be a really good time to purchase their stock back. Ticker symbol OSTK was down about 1% if you add up normal trading and after the bell trading as well. But look at that. Strong buy, 4 analyst ratings with an average upside of just over 93%. So a lot of upside there from some pretty good analysts as well. So something to consider there for Overstock.com. We have 2 5-star analysts giving it an 88% and 103% over the next 12 months. So big potential upside there for Overstock. Let me know if any of you guys hold Overstock in your portfolio. I would love to hear from you. If you don't, I understand, but take a peek at it. Obviously, do your own research, but seems like a good potential purchase over the next 12 months. All right, let's jump over and cover Robinhood numbers. Their revenue doubles for the second quarter in a row, but shares fall after the app warns that trading is slowing. And I can attest to this, that I am trading less than I did last year. Let me know if you guys are trading less than you were last year as well. Some of you might be trading more. I don't know. But I feel like there is less opportunity for swing trading and day trading, more so swing trading than there was, especially last year this time. So let me know how you guys feel. Are you guys experiencing this in your own trading? Are you trading less than you were last year? I certainly am, and that is definitely affecting Robinhood's potential future numbers. And that's why the stock, if you take a peek at the stock here, was up almost 7% in normal trading, and then after the bell fell almost the same, down 7% as well, but still above $46 per share. If you look at what the analysts have to say about Robinhood, it's a moderate buy based on 3 ratings with an average upside of right around 10%. There are price targets as low as 45 and price targets as high as 65 for Robinhood, but still a big growth company, growing very, very fast. What do you guys think about Robinhood? Are you invested in Robinhood? It is one of the top 10 stocks, I think, on the Robinhood trading app, which is kind of cool. So I know a lot of people do hold it in their portfolios on Robinhood specifically, but let me know. Do you guys hold Robinhood for the long term, or are you guys still kind of upset with them for what happened back in January with GME and AMC? Let me know. All right, Cisco. Let's cover Cisco. They delivered a slight beat as revenue grew 8%. Their earnings were 84 cents per share, adjusted versus 82 cents per share as expected. So a little bit of a beat for EPS. And then revenue was a little bit of a beat as well, 13.13 billion versus 13.03 billion expected. Again, revenue grew 8% year over year in the fiscal fourth quarter, which ended on July 31st. Gross margin narrowed to 63.6 versus 63.9%. So their gross margin is down slightly quarter over quarter. The CEO, Chuck Robbins, says, looking ahead, we expect the supply challenges and cost impacts to continue through at least the first half of our fiscal year and potentially into the second half. So Cisco had a little bit of a rough day, down 1.5% in normal trading and then down an additional 1.4% after the bell. But this is a moderate buy for ticker symbol CSCO. 14 analyst ratings give this an average downside of just under 0.7%. So pretty flat, a good company to hold long term. It tends to be a pretty stable stock over the long haul. All right, lastly, we're going to cover Nvidia. They beat earnings expectations, but they gave a little bit of a warning because cryptocurrency chip sales are lower than they expected. But earnings were $1.04 adjusted versus $1.01 expected, and revenue was $6.51 billion versus $6.33 billion that was expected. Let's take a peek at how Nvidia performed today. Ticker symbol NVDA, down 2% at close, but was up 1.6% after the bell. So pretty flat on the day, but this still comes with a strong buy based on 29 analyst ratings. So a lot of analysts rating this stock with an average upside of 11.5%. Do you guys hold Cisco or Nvidia in your portfolios? Let me know. I really like Nvidia long term. I think it's a fantastic company and what they have going on with AI. We talked about that a couple weeks ago. I think they're really setting themselves up to be a major player in this space in the future, and I think that's a really great thing for Nvidia. So I'm a long-term holder of Nvidia. Let me know how you guys feel about these stocks that we talked about today down in the comments. And if you found any value in this video at all, hit that like button for me, guys. Thank you so much for joining me for another After the Bell. I appreciate each and every single one of you, and I'll see you in the next one.